6 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. And again here we have 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So 3 divided by 3, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, okay? Then this division, not this division, okay? Let's do it. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. So 3 divided by 6 divided by 2. Now we have to do this division. 3 divided by 6 can be written as 3 over 6. And here we have divided by 2. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. So we have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 divided by 2. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 1 over 2, then times 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. And this is equal to 1 times 1 gives us 1 over 2 times 2 gives us 4. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 4, or 0.25. The correct answer is 0.25.